What's up, guys?
Today we're going to show you how we made this designer dupe dining table.
We built the whole thing on a budget using Lowe's materials.
Materials. Why you say it like that? Stay tuned for the end because we're going to give you a complete cost breakdown.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go.
Ow! I hit my butt cheek really hard. I'm going to have a bruise.
Not my table. Takes a very skilled carpenter.
So who are we going to call?
I punch myself right in the nose. Oh my god!
He has the shop, so he doesn't have any excuse. Today, instead of our friends spending thousands of dollars,
we're going to spend thousands of hours.
Yeah. It's going to be a dupe of a designer table. We'll put that on the screen here so you guys can see.
So here's the lumber we're going to use. Kiln dried pine from Lowe's, plywood 2x4s, and then up here I've got 1x pine.
What have you done? Show me.
I planed the legs essentially, so like they're nice and smooth.
Ooh, let me feel.
Nice and smooth.
They are nice and smooth. What's the next step?
So this would be the top. You're not going to see this plywood. It's just here to give it some rigidity.
Right.
Let's get it.
To keep the mess outdoors, we're going to use our new generator.
I don't know much about generators, but I'm excited.
I know less.
It is a 4,400 watt gas open frame inverter generator.
Ah, yes.
It has 3 normal outlets.
I know what outlets are.
It has 3 of them.
Nice.
And 1 12-volt DC port. And I'm excited to have it because the power goes out here quite a bit.
We get tornadoes, guys.
Look at this, Ferrari red.
Wow. It's like an engine. I think it belongs in a vehicle.
It's exactly what it is, just small.
Wow. Could we hook up our fridge to it if we needed to?
We can. Fridge and AC at the same time.
You have to oil it?
Oh yeah, that's an engine, babe.
I don't know anything about an engine.
You put gas in, put oil.
Yeah, I do all of those things when I'm supposed to.
Look at this sexy cap.
The prettiest girl. Beautiful.
We're gasolining. Down.
Francine, you're coming over right at the best
Button is on.
Thank you, PowerSmart, for sponsoring today's video and for sending us this generator. If you'd like to check them out, we've linked their website in the description below.
Stick.
I like the shape. You like the shape?
I like the shape. The boards that I got for the top of this, we have to go rip those.
Okay, let's do it.
My neck, my back. Alright, it's time for you to do some work around here.
Safety tie the hair up and not scalp myself.
Okay.
Okay.
In there.
Do you have any tips for me now that you've seen me in action?
I'll do this. You do the next one.
That was no tip.
Well, I'm going to show you the tip.
Just the tip.
All right. Keep going this way. I'm going to be out of a job soon.
I'd way rather have you do it. Was that better than the first time?
Oh, yeah. You killed it.
Bro. What are you doing?
I'm thinking. I'm strategizing.
Is this how you think?
My strategy. I need space underneath it so I can screw. Any horse sponsors out there?
So you're going to take it down a little bit wideness?
Yeah.
I think they call that width.
No, it's wide.
Wideness? Wide.
No, with the TH. Wideness. Butt it up to my woods.
It's butting your wood.
Remove. I'm going to screw this one in. We'll apply glue to this edge, that edge. Screw. Repeat. Rinse.
I think it's rinse first.
Oh, shit. Watch out.
I'm fine. Gonna evenly space the screws out.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so it looks pretty.
Maybe every foot.
Maybe the people don't need this whole thing. They get the idea.
What?
No, those glasses, they just look really great on you.
Something on my face?
Look at me.
Something's on my face.
There's nothing on your face.
Making me look stupid.
Oh boy. That's not gonna fit, babe. Ah!
Ooh, sorry.
Right in the boob.
Oh, do a boob stab?
Yeah. Uh-oh, watch out for that one. This one's not gonna...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Watch out, you get the boob stab again. Hey.
Good morning. We are going to work on the table legs today.
Yeah, do you think this is too tall for a table? set up a little jig here, and then we're gonna put a round over on all 4 corners. I explained this to you. Just hold here until I get to about here. You don't have to go over there.
Okay. Do you feel like the legs aren't square in the design over there?
The legs aren't square?
Yes. You don't know?
I don't know what you're talking about. If you change anything here, then when you're looking at it this way and this way, you're looking at 2 different.
Right.
I don't think that's the case.
I feel like you're wrong.
I feel like you are wrong.
You think those are perfectly square each side?
I do. 100%. Alright, so like I was saying, they're slightly narrower from the front, so we'll have to make these look like this, essentially. I keep telling you. Not listening.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that gives us an idea, like the final size of this table. We gotta cut these legs. Okay, so we cut the stretchers, like for the framing, that the apron's gonna stick to, and that'll hold the legs together. Now we just gotta build it right here, you know? Build it.
There's a workhorse right there.
Let's put the workhorse. Don't be away. I don't know what to say, I'll say it anyway. Oh yes. Let's make another one more.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Here we go. Got ourselves a little frame scheme. This is the underneath of the table. Cut a little bit off here because that's the shape of the table underneath. Makes it easier for me to fit this piece. Essentially, I need to double up wherever we drew here, the extra 2 inches. And if you look over here now, it's twice as thick. So once I cut it to final size, like it'll feel like the wood is this thick.
We had to come inside because it's raining out. We're going to glue these pieces to the tabletop.
Just gonna glue this on here and call it a day, you know what I mean? Since we're oversized, I can just screw these woods in here.
Screw it to the areas that aren't going to be part of the table. Got it.
Hello.
It's a great angle for you.
Thanks. You might be thinking, what the hell is he doing?
That's what I'm thinking.
So, here we go. I'm transferring the lines from the bottom so I know where we're gonna cut it. Okay, we are traced. Now cut it. Francine, what do you got? What's on your mouth? All right, I think I'm gonna scrape off some of this glue first, around the edges, and then wrap. Oh no, I just put a piece there.
Put a piece and glue it better.
Yep.
Wood glue, CA glue, accelerator spray.
Boom. We'll let this dry. We'll finish the legs.
To attach the tabletop to the base, we're using these little clips. One side screws into the underside of the tabletop, and the other slides into a slot we'll cut along the top of the table base.
That way, like, it can move around, expansion and whatnot. So I have to, like, run through the table saw to put a little cut, and then this thing can go. First thing we're gonna do is take this all apart, put in the pocket holes, cut in the groove. This is the bottom where it hits the ground. I'm gonna round over a little bit so it doesn't chip. Time to put it together. Good. I might have to re-drill these just the middle instead of like 2. We'll see. Cross that problem when that bridge is here, you know?
Yeah, that's how that saying goes.
Maybe I can just scooch it over, yep. It's not sucking it in here, so I want to squeeze it. Okay, good. I mean, it feels sturdy now.
What now?
Remember, we got to pack out.
Oh yeah.
Got to add a little bit. Made this rectangular. So now when we put a piece of trim here, it ends there. Here, it's got a lot. So we got to move this out to here somewhere. Now we're going to reinforce this thing a little bit. I'm going to put some cross pieces here. Okay, so now we're gonna add the skirting here, and I've got 2-inch screws, so it'll be nice because I can screw it in from the back and it won't go through this and it won't have any screws here. A little gluage.
What's next?
I think route.
It's just the tabletop that we have to route.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I gotta fill those plugs.
Where the screws were, or are, where the screws are.
Okay, we'll paste here and fill in some of these holes. Just that little piece we patched in.
Can't even see it.
Alright, I got some plugs for those legs and I'm gonna use the same wood. Okay, let's plug these holes. Well, these are dry, so I'm gonna saw them like this. Then I'll probably put some glue for like where it wasn't super tight, and then sand and let it mix in, and I think it'll be a pretty decent job. And then it's ready to stain, girl.
Here goes nothing. Probably should have started with underneath. This color looks crazy dark. Holy crap. Alright, that looks a lot lighter. This will lighten a lot more once it dries. I finished staining. What do you think?
I like it. I love it. I bought these legs, feet, so that we can put underneath, and that way, like, if it's uneven floor, you can just like give it a little twist, you know, a little twist to Rooski. Flip the Rooskis upside down skis. Second hole. 4 more holes. Okay, so now threaded insert goes in here, and then maybe I can just use this as my hammering tool. Okay, we are legged, then feet. I'm going to be using Halcyon from Total Boat. Not sponsored, just good stuff. It's good for a boat, it's good for a table, you know, that's what everybody says. It's already looking so pink.
I don't know why, but I like the smell of it.
Me too.
It's almost like it's like glue smell, but
I've never sniffed glue before, so stuff to put a smell to it, you know. Say like Elmer's or like a Gorilla.
like an Elmer's, I would consider mine as the
Okay.
for exams.
Mm-hmm.
By myself, so it only gets what you're saying.
All right, get to work. I already installed some of these on the table, but I'll show you guys the last couple. If you remember, we did the slits on the frame itself. Let's go put it in there. Oh, here we go. All around. Keep going. Square it up.
All right, we're gonna do a cost breakdown.
Yep, cost breakdown. So all the wood that we bought for this, $267.66.
Total Boat Halcyon, $42.11.
The clips that we used on the bottom to attach the table, $8.99 for a pack of 30, I believe.
Hardware clips,
Screws,
Okay.
bolts, the big bolts.
$30.
Oh, and you know what else? I rounded up a little bit for paintbrushes, sanding paper, so all the stuff that I had. The stain, $17.
The feet, $9.99.
Yep, the adjustable feet.
For a grand total of
Da-da-da.
$375.75.
Compared to what the other one was, we'll put it on the bottom. So.
Yeah, I forgot, but it was $1,000.
All right,
So
well, stay tuned for the next one.
a total bedroom makeover.
Oh, yeah.
Building things and doing woodwork on the walls and stuff like that. Yeah.
I'm going to do the woodwork in the shed really hard. We're not doing it right.
What are we not doing?
I don't know. I'm over here with play on my phone.
I like this shape.
My dream one day is to build a square. Anything.
No. You're not a true woodworker.
How convenient. I'm glad I caught that because this is way better. Imagine we just left it.
It would be terrible. This is why you need me. So you don't end up with end tables that you build secretly and then have to throw them away. You don't have me. Well, let's first get out of it first in case I just want one with the...
Can I want to get on the paper.
I want you to get the hell out of here right now. No, get out of here. I can still see you. Do you care about me or the table?
It's about you.
It's going to be a dupe of a designer table. Let me try to say that again.
Dupe inspo. Sorry. Okay, so let's